In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import an Excel file on Monday.com. If you need to bring spreadsheet data into Monday.com and turn it into a board, this process is very straightforward once you know where to click. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to start the import, choose your Excel file, and finish setting up the new board so your data is ready to use. To begin, make sure you're logged into your Monday.com account and you're on the main workspace screen. From there, go to the upper right corner and click on your profile. This opens the account menu where you'll find several options related to your workspace and settings. In that menu, click on Import Data. This is the area Monday.com uses for bringing information in from other tools and file types. Once the import options appear, choose Excel. This tells Monday.com that you want to upload a spreadsheet file and convert it into a board. Next, click on Click to browse. This will open your computer's file window so you can locate the Excel file you want to import. Select the correct file and let it upload. Before you do this, it's a good idea to make sure your spreadsheet is cleaned up and organized clearly, since that can make the import smoother and help Monday.com recognize your columns more accurately. After the file uploads, click on Let's Customize Your New Board. This is where Monday.com starts guiding you through how the imported spreadsheet will be turned into a usable board. Depending on your file, you may see a preview or some setup options. Take a quick look here so you understand how your data is being interpreted. When you're ready, click Next. This moves you to the following setup screen. Then click Next again to continue through the final part of the board creation process. These steps are usually quick, and they help confirm the structure of the board before it goes live. Finally, click Create Board. Monday.com will then generate a new board using the data from your Excel file. Once it finishes, you can review everything inside the board and make any adjustments you need, such as renaming columns, checking item details, or reorganizing the layout. And that's it. You've successfully imported an Excel file into Monday.com. If your board doesn't look exactly the way you expected, don't worry. You can still customize it after the import. With just a few clicks, you can turn spreadsheet data into a much more interactive and collaborative workflow inside Monday.com.